So what comes in your mind when you hear the word telescope? Is this long tube is what you refer as telescope? Well, you see, there are three types of telescopes: refractor type, and catadioptric. Catadioptric. All these telescopes have different advantages and disadvantages. Let's see one by one. First, refractor type telescopes. The main construction is relatively easy. You take a long tube, and the tube length is depend on the focal length of your lens. The lens is installed in the front of your telescope, and the rest of the tube is used to focus the refracted ray onto your eyepiece. Better optical quality because there is no light loss. They are portable if made under 100 millimeter of aperture. The disadvantages of these type of telescopes are chromatic aberrations, and those telescopes which come with reduced chromatic aberrations are generally 3 to 5 times expensive. Wind can affect these types of telescopes because as you make longer focal length and the larger the tube is, the wind is going to affect. You need to balance its weight, you need a sturdy tripod. All these things add up to cost and very tedious to operate. Now talking about reflector type telescopes. Reflector type telescopes are made taking a tube, placing the mirror in the bottom, and at the point of focus you will place another mirror which will be redirecting all the light to a focuser and on the eyepiece from where you observe the universe. These types of telescopes are less expensive and can be of large size. The focal length is faster and you get wide field of view. These types of telescope provide you excellent light grasp of the sky you are observing, and cost per inch of aperture is very low. Disadvantages of these types of telescope: the faster you go on your focal length, you will see optical aberrations, comas. In these types of telescope you will see minimum of 2 mirrors. You will find that light loss is high. Central obstruction, the secondary smaller mirror which used to redirect light into your eyepiece and focuser, you will see diffractions. Second mirror, you will get diffraction, and if made larger they can be very heavy. The last one is catadioptric. Advantages of these types of telescopes are minimal aberrations, good light grasp, excellent portability because they are very small, and these are hybrid. The catadioptric telescopes have a corrector lens in front and a strongly curved mirror at the back. Then the light is reflected to a lens. Because these type of telescopes are compound telescope, they are also known as compound telescope because they use both reflector and that lens send these light back to the back end of your telescope where the eyepiece is located. These telescope can take very long focal length of light path and fold them in very short tube. Manufacturing of these type of telescope is very expensive, cost per inch. Then you get greater light losses because of multiple lenses and mirror, and generally these types of telescope have very large central obstruction. Because this is an enclosed system, the ambient temperature and the temperature inside these telescopes, if different, then you are not going to get a clear and crisp image and out of resolution. It takes longer for these type of telescope to adapt to their external environment. When the temperatures are equal inside the tube and outside the tube, then only you are going to get some usable result. Now we will be talking about some other aspects of telescope, the one well known, magnification and focal length. Till then, thumbs if you like it, subs if you love it, share if that's what you want to do. This is Shad Explains.